Hey brother, I'm excited you're ready to kick off this transformation journey. We're gonna start with meal prep because nutrition is the most important piece. The fact is, you can't lose fat without a calorie deficit. If you're anything like me, you tried to outwork your shitty diet and ended up injured or burned out. Or you've tried billions of different diets, but you fall off once your body fights back with hunger, cravings, and stress. It's not your fault, they're just not sustainable. Most diets don't ensure you're getting enough nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and that's why that happens. Balanced nutrition is the only way to lose fat and keep it off without the suffering. Once you get it right, you're gonna melt that fat off, supercharge your workouts, and even stop getting sick all the time. Now, if you're thinking you don't have time for all this planning, shopping, and cooking, then you're in the right place. This isn't another meal plan with a billion ingredients you need to assemble like some kind of science lab. I created this system to save time during the busiest season of my life. And that was the beginning of this year when my wife had to travel overseas for business. Work was crazy, but I still had to cook, clean, and take care of our 1-year-old while sleep training him on my own. I survived, and I'm gonna give you the exact template I use to eat healthy in the most efficient way possible. You'll get the exact recipes, guides, and shopping lists. No more guessing what to eat, how much to eat, or how to get it ready. I've got you covered step by step. Now, in the next 2 weeks, you'll get a set menu with perfect portions for your calorie and nutrient needs. Stick with the program as it is. It's only 2 weeks. Don't try to outsmart it before you can execute it. Once you finish the 2 weeks, you'll understand the patterns and then you can adjust it for your preferences. A few weekly iterations like that and you'll end up with a perfect healthy menu that you enjoy and know how to adjust to fit new recipes. Now let's get started with the first lesson, getting ready for